wathatha uma wakhe wambraya. The truth shall set you free. So lalela mntu omnyama, asiqale. Let's go back asibuyele emumva. This is uMargaret, the mother. Understand ukuthi she worked very hard all her life trying to build something for herself. And then she had ingane, one child, her only child. After that, she bought a house, she bought a car, and built a family, a solid family for ingane yakhe, until the day came when she had to retire. Margaret was getting old, and so she decided to hand over everything to ingane yakhe, her only child, uCandice. Understand that uCandice was handed over the car keys, the house, and of course everything that had in it. Her only job was to take care of her mother. Simple. Wayibona imali uCandice, and so she went crazy. She decided to start spending. While uMargaret is in the house, uCandice would go every day to spend. And of course, unengane, her only child, so both of them, they went to spend. Hlakanipha-ke mntu omnyama and understand ukuthi uCandice Craig, ingane yokuqala, her only child kaMargaret, started using yonke into enehemce yaMargaret. She used i-debit yakhe, she used ihemce yakhe sebhenki, she even used i-social security, uSASSA, i-backbone. Understand ukuthi she went as far as ukufuna imali yasemsebenzini, i-pension income. Understand ukuthi the prosecutor said uCandice even used her younger daughter to help her ukuthi afonele ibhenki acele a replacement card because amanye amakhadi uma wakhe ubesewafihla. Slowly, kancane kancane, uMargaret realized ukuthi ingane yakhe uCandice ne-granddaughter yakhe, they are spending ihemce and they are spending it recklessly. And so wababuza ukuthi kwenzekalani, why ningabi wise ngale mali, because the money could build a legacy not just for me because mina sengimdala, but for their granddaughter and their granddaughter and their granddaughter. But in the house izinto zaba tense because they started ukuhlukumeza uMargaret. One day, the arguments got so intense. uMargaret wadinelwa ingane yakhe, uCandice ingane yaMargaret idinelwa uma wayo. Everyone was arguing endlini. uMargaret ubhizi ufuna amakhadi. Ingane ithi no, amakhadi asafe kumina. uCandice wadinwa wavele wayothatha my friend. Wayothatha my friend egarage. Wathi no ma, wosala. Court document and testimony states that uCandice used my friend to cut umzali kwi-basement kumuzi wakhe. Understand ukuthi police later found my friend accessories akhe nama-cutting tools kwi-basement, and they used konke lokho as evidence kulona cala leli laCandice. Immediately after uCandice used my friend on uMargaret, understand ukuthi ingane kaCandice, uSalia, came home from school. Uyafika from esikoleni ubona endlini kubhizi, amanzi abovu kubhizi everywhere. She then asked uma wakhe ukuthi kwenzekeni, and then uma wakhe pointed kwi-bag kwi-basement wathi hamba olunguzi. Wahamba uSalia olunguzi kwenzani, wavula ibag wathi uyafica laphayana, hayibo nangu. And then instead of ukuthi akhale afonela amaphoyisa, she then told uma wakhe ukuthi nope, there's a better way yokuthi senze lento ngoba masingayenzi ngale ndlela wena uzoya ejele. What did they do? I'm sure uyayibuza. Babraya Mongcwele. This is the exact braai they used. Bambraya Mongcwele. A few weeks later, family members decided to call amaphoyisa because they noticed that uMargaret had disappeared and akasawaphendula ama-phone calls akhe. Ngomhla ka-2 June 2023, amaphoyisa were called to go kumuzi waCandice, and uCandice answered the door, and then she told amaphoyisa ukuthi umakhe amazi yephi. They looked and looked, uMargaret akatholwa ndawo. Understand ukuthi even ama-family members moved to umuzi waMargaret to stay with uCandice Rosalia, ama-community members would come and visit umuzi kaMargaret, trying to figure out ukuthi ushonephi. And the only thing that uCandice noSalma would do ukubakhiphela inyama badle. I can't explain okunye. I cannot explain this